Hello everyone, myself Ankit Vora and I am your max educator of a grade 9. Previously we had learned related to surface area and volumes. In that we had considered the shapes of cuboids and cubes. Now let us move further with the shape that is cylinder. Today we are going to learn the shape related to cylinder. First of all, let us see the derivation regarding the cylinder. Two types of formula are there. First of all, curved surface area of a cylinder, and next is the total surface area of a cylinder. So let us derive first, that is a curved surface area of a cylinder. In this case we are taking one rectangular sheet. What we are considering, that is a rectangular sheet, and this part is our length and this is our breadth. Length and breadth, so obviously rectangular sheet is there, so area of rectangle will be what? If we are going to find area, that will be length into breadth. The formula of area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. This rectangular part we have to convert it into the shape of a cylinder. Now the question arises is that how this rectangular part will be converted in a cylinder. So let us see some small demonstration. We are taking one rectangular sheet. So this is our length and this part is considered as our breadth. We have to convert this rectangular sheet into the shape of a cylinder. Clear? So we will fold from the breadth part. So this rectangular sheet will now converted into the shape of a cylinder. Clear? But cylinder is a hollow and open from the top and bottom part. Now what is happening, that this breadth part is converted into the height. See, already mentioned here, this breadth part is converted into the height, and this length part, that is, see here, length part is converted in the shape of a circle. Clear? Length is converted into the shape of a circle and breadth is converted as a height of this cylinder. Clear? So in formula we are taking area of a rectangular sheet. Already mentioned here, we have to consider the area of a rectangular sheet, and that formula is length into breadth. This length into breadth is converted into a cylindrical form. Now see here, this is breadth part and breadth part is converted into the cylinder's height. So in place of breadth we had written here height. Clear? First conversion is done, that this breadth is converted into the height. Now the remaining part is length, and already I had said that length is converted as a circumference of a base of a cylinder, and base of a cylinder is obviously here, that is circular part is there. So we have to take area of a circle. In base, circumference of a base, we have to take area of a circle, but the circle is totally open, cylinder is open, so we have to only consider these boundary points. So in place of area we have to consider here C, that is circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r and height is converted as a h. So 2 pi r h, this is the formula of a curved surface area of a cylinder. Now what is curved surface area? Curved surface area means only we have to consider the circular part of a cylinder. From top and bottom it is open. Now for that part, that is, this one is top and this one is bottom. So for this part, if we want to close the cylinder, we want two circular leads. In the shape of a circle, we have to take two circular lead to close this cylinder. So new formula, that is total surface area of a cylinder. For total surface area we have to close the cylinder from top and bottom. So already curved surface area is there, that is 2 pi r h, and if we want to cover from this top and this bottom, we have to take two circles, that is 2 into area of circle, and area of circle is what? Pi r square. So 2 pi r square we have to take here. So from this equation, see what is common, that is 2 pi and r. Three things are common, that is 2 pi and r. 2 pi r is common, remaining part in this first is h plus as it is, and 2 times radius, 1 time common, so 1 time remain. So this is the formula for total surface area of a cylinder, and this formula is of a curved surface area of a cylinder. In cylindrical shape, two formulas are there, that is curved surface area as well as total surface area. We will be now next seeing examples related to both of these formula, that is curved surface area and total surface area. Okay, then let us see now various examples related to the formulas we have learned now, that is curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. So let us see example number 1. What is given? The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter. See, one roller is there and the diameter of a roller is mentioned as 84 centimeter. So diameter will be 84 centimeter. But in formula we don't need diameter, we want to calculate the radius. So first of all let us find the radius. So radius will be what? Diameter upon 2. So in radius, diameter divided by 2. So this will be 84 divided by 2. Therefore radius will be 42 centimeter. Radius will be what? 42 centimeter. And we have to find the curved surface area of that roller. Already mentioned in the question is that we have to find, that is curved surface area of a roller, and shape roller is given. So it will be in the shape of a cylinder. Therefore let us apply the formula, that is CSA, short form of a curved surface area, that is curved surface area of cylinder, and formula is what? That is 2 pi RH. So 2 as it is, in place of pi we have to take 22 upon 7 divided by radius, and here radius is given as 42 multiplied by height. What is height? See in the question, and its length is given as 120 centimeter. So in place of height we have to take 120 centimeter. Length will be converted in the height in the shape of a cylinder. So in place of h 120 is given. Now let us do the cutting, that is 7 ones and 7 6. Clear? So remaining part will be 2 multiplied 22 is 44 multiply by 6 into 120, 6 multiply by 120. So this will be 44 as it is, multiply by 12 6 are 72. So this will be 720. So multiplying this, we will obtain the answer, that will be in centimeter square. Clear? After multiplying 44 with respect to 720, we will obtain the answer in a centimeter square. Okay, you have to do it yourself, this answer, that is 44 into 720. What we have done? Let us see. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is mentioned as 2 pi RH. 2 is as it is, in place of pi we had put here 22 upon 7. Radius is given as 42 and height is given as 120. Clear? Now another example related to this, that is question number 2. Let us find the solution of this question. It is given that it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of a height 1 meter. Height is mentioned as a 1 meter of a closed cylindrical tank. This word is important in the question. Closed cylindrical tank is mentioned, of a height 1 meter and base diameter is 140 centimeter. Base diameter is measured as 140 centimeter. Clear? So first of all we have to find the radius from the diameter, that is diameter divided by 2. Clear? And diameter is given as 140 divided by 2, so this will be 70 centimeter. But in question height is given as meter and diameter is given as a centimeter. So convert this radius into the meter. So 70 divided by 100, 0 cancel out, this will be 0.7 meter. Radius of this question is 0.7 meter and height is 1 meter. Now see here in question it is given that we have to form a closed cylindrical tank. So for closed cylindrical tank what we have to take is, that is total surface area of cylinder. So total surface area of cylinder, and the formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So 2 as it is, in place of pi, here in place of pi we have to take 22 upon 7 multiply by radius. Radius we have find that is 0.7, bracket h is given as 1 plus radius is mentioned that is 0.7. So 2 as it is, multiply by 22 upon 7 multiply by 7, 0.7 we can write here 7 upon 10, bracket 1 plus 0.7 will be 1.7. Again remove the point, 22 into 22 upon 7 multiply by 7 upon 10 as it is, multiply by 1.7 is given. So in place of 1.7 this will be 17 upon 10. So 7 gets cancel out. Now see here 2 5s are 10 is cutting possible, but without doing cutting we can directly find, multiply all the numerators and just put 2 points, because 2 10 is there, so 2 zeros is there, so this will be easy. 2 multiply 22 will be 44 multiply by remaining part is 17 and divide by 100. So this answer will be also in a meter square. Clear? What we have find here in this question, that is total surface area of a cylinder. Why we have taken total surface area? Because in question it is mentioned that we have to take a closed cylindrical tank. So here we have taken total surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus r. Various values r and h is already mentioned in the question. Putting in this we will obtain the answer of this question. Thank you.